Don't.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile sometimes.
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So you know, from time to time I do like live tutorial on my Instagram channel really. So I usually do live tutorial on my Instagram, and you know, the other day they were asking, you know, to show a video on how I remove my makeup. So it's not fancy, but since you guys are interested, I'm just going to show you like a quick video on, you know, how I remove my makeup. So if you are interested, then definitely just keep on watching. Okay, so usually I wouldn't have on a wig, and so it would be easier, and you know, but since I do have on a wig, I'm just going to pin my hair back. I don't want to look crazy on camera, so I'm not going to take off my wig, right? So now that I pin it back, I'm going to take off my lashes. Oops. And of course I can reuse this as much as I want to. So when I take off my lashes, what I do is I use the regular baby oil, and this helps to remove my makeup easily, you know. And I also use like literal regular wipes, okay, regular. And I think these are the best wipes since sliced bread. Like, it's not too dry and it's not too wet, it's just perfect. So what I like to do is I take out two, because I know that with the baby wipes it can be a little messy, and so what I like to do is I take out two wipes, right? So I leave one on top, and what I do with the first one is I just quickly pour some of the wipes. I don't use a lot, just a little, and I just like rub the wipes. So if you see me looking here, I'm looking at the viewfinder because I don't have a mirror, and so I just rub the wipes together, right? And then I just proceed to wiping off my face. So I like to use like half of it to get off as much as I want, and then I go to the other side, you know, just to assist in clean off any other that's there. This is the first wipes, okay? So then I go in with the next one just to ensure that I wipe off all the makeup. So now that my face is, you know, I wouldn't say clean, but I wipe off all the makeup. When I'm doing my makeup very often, I do use the Scent Hives scrub, and I scrub like probably 2 or 3 times if I'm wearing the makeup as often. If I'm not wearing makeup, then I don't really do the scrub. So since I've been wearing the makeup for a few days, I'm going to, you know, do a scrub. So I'm going to wet my face, and then I come back on camera to show you guys how I apply this. So now that my face is wet, I'm going to go in with the apricot scrub. I use okay, so after I wash the scrub off, I like to go in with soap, and I use any soap. Like I use the Cetaphil. I'm using the Pond's right now. It says oil control facial foam, and so a little goes a long way with this soap. So and I'm just going to rinse this off, and then I'll come back on camera. So of course after I wash my face off, I usually leave it to just air dry, and I usually go in with my Caramex, or I use the Blistex. So the Blistex little eyeliner, so that's what I'm gonna use right now. And yeah, but the skin lips moisturize, especially when I wear matte lipstick. My lips tend to dry out, so of course I'm gonna pull out my ear. So I'm gonna rod my wig up. So what else, I'll kind of look presentable for the video. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys learned something. And I hope this also answers your question on how I remove my makeup. As you can see, it's nothing fancy, it's pretty inexpensive and easy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye babies. And so I mean, if you didn't know how to remove your makeup, then here's a video for you. This video, if you're hearing the sound in the background, you guys know the struggle. No, the devil is a liar. Okay, this answers you guys a question. Nah man, come on, I'm not gonna do that outro. I'm not gonna do it.